Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on investment strategies. The iShares MSCI Turkey ETF, trading under the symbol TUR on the NASDAQ, has demonstrated strong performance since July. This ETF offers a compelling opportunity for investors interested in satellite equity investments, granting targeted exposure to the Turkish stock market, particularly focusing on the country's largest corporations. While political risks are an inherent consideration, this ETF represents an intriguing contrarian option that could potentially yield growth, especially if efforts to control inflation are successful. Investing in Turkey is not a topic that frequently comes up in financial discussions, but the iShares MSCI Turkey ETF has shown impressive results since July. Could there be more upside potential? It's a possibility. Despite the unavoidable political risks associated with the country, this ETF may hold significant appeal as an unexplored satellite equity investment, precisely because it remains relatively under the radar. TUR is an exchange-traded fund crafted to mirror the performance of the MSCI Turkey IMI 25 50th Index. This index is meticulously constructed, considering free-float adjusted market capitalization, with a primary emphasis on equities listed on the Istanbul Stock Exchange. TUR offers precise access to the Turkish stock market, enabling investors to participate in the performance of a diverse array of Turkish companies. This ETF is a preferred choice for those seeking to express a distinct perspective on a single country's market, as it offers a straightforward means to access the largest corporations in Turkey. It's important to highlight that, aside from TUR, there are limited options for investors seeking direct exposure to Turkey's market. While broad-based emerging market ETFs may include some exposure, there is a notable absence of a true competitor to TUR. Interestingly, I view this as a positive aspect. Why? Typically, imitative funds are introduced after a substantial period of strong performance in the sector they replicate. This makes TUR a somewhat concealed equity allocation, rendering it an intriguing contrarian choice. Even in light of political risks, the fund's low P/E ratio of 9 is a compelling factor. Speaking of political and monetary factors, these play a significant role in influencing TUR's performance. Turkey grapples with pronounced inflation, but there appears to be a deliberate effort by the central bank to address it. In September, Turkey raised domestic interest rates from 25% to 30%. Admittedly, this carries substantial economic risks, but any progress in taming inflation is likely to further bolster the equity side of the equation, an unnoticed yet valuable contemplation. Despite the inherent risks and the turbulent market conditions, the iShares MSCI Turkey ETF unveils an intriguing contrarian prospect. It provides access to a diverse spectrum of Turkish companies, enabling investors to participate in the growth of some of the nation's most prominent and prosperous corporations. While it's essential to acknowledge the political risks, the opportunity for potential gains becomes palpable if Turkey manages to navigate a more favorable inflation trajectory. Additionally, the limited attention from investors suggests that this ETF might evolve into a hidden gem within a more extensive equity portfolio in the long term. I forecast the iShares MSCI Turkey ETF to go up to $47 in a long run. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on investment strategies.